Welcome back. Maybe you got a Jeep Wrangler and you want to add some more light to the back. One of the first things somebody told me when I got this Jeep was with the spare tire here, makes it hard to see the brake lights. So we added a brake light here in the middle of the spare, and tonight we're adding some LED brake lights to the sides here. So we're going to show you how it's done. These came from American Off-Road, and pretty cool looking design. They give you the full kit here. These are LED. As you can see, that's going to upgrade the look pretty significantly, a lot bigger than the originals. So we're going to go ahead and put these on. If you're interested, you can check out the link below and you can pick some of these up. So these appear to be just a plug and play. Got your plug on there. Got some backing tape on here to help it stick. So we're going to go ahead and take these old ones off, see how these go on. First, you just remove all the screws and then remove the tail light. We're going to unplug it at this plug right here because this is where the new one is going to plug in. Alright, so you're going to push on the little retainer clip right there. Pull this off. So they got a couple things in the assembly here. So these go into the side of the body panel, double-sided tape. Two factory screws are going to go through there. Slides on from the side. That allows those clips to grab. And run two of the screws back in. Then we're going to plug this in. I don't love stuff hanging down, so I'm going to actually zip tie on here. Hold all this together. And then the last part is put a couple screws in from the side. I guess your option is to use the ones that you took out. But these two screws that are on the side, if you use those screws, it's going to punch a hole into the housing. So I just went and grabbed a couple of smaller screws, and I'm going to run these into the side here. So they're pretty easy to install. It takes maybe 10-15 minutes. Pull the light off. This is a depression. When you push on this, it loosens it up and you can pull that out. Your light is free. And you got this big plate. Plug this in, make sure it goes in and connects well so it doesn't just pull right back out. And then on this side you got a couple of clips that are going to engage. So there you go, pretty easy project, takes about maybe 20-30 minutes. Easy to install. Pros, they're cheap, they look great, easy to install. Cons, mine at least didn't come with any instructions, and like I said, there's a little bit of a mismatch on the screws, so I had to pull a couple of extra screws for them. But overall, I love the look of them. I think they're really cool. Very bright, significantly brighter and wider, so just kind of give it a better view from the back overall. So if you're interested in these, you can check them out. The links are down below. Thanks for watching.